Every building, whether commercial or residential, experiences catastrophic energy loss. 33 to 50% of that energy loss happens through the primary thermal barrier between the inside and outside environment. This thermal barrier is known as the building envelope. If your building envelope is failing, it does not matter how efficient your climate control systems are. Not only will you still experience these levels of energy loss, but you will also increase your operational and maintenance costs. Bumitech is the only partner for companies that wish to make data-driven decisions over finances. These include construction retrofit costs, return on investment, tenants' quality of life, and impact on the environment. Together, we can achieve your triple bottom line, which aims to measure the financial, social, and environmental performance of your company over time. The triple bottom line consists of 3 elements: people, planet, profit. Here's how our 2-step solution works. Bumitech uses drone technology with thermal and visual cameras to communicate with Keytech's patent-pending energy quantification software to calculate and quantify the energy loss within a building's envelope. Once such images are processed through our software, we can provide an unprecedented level of data for property managers and owners with regards to your building envelope. We then provide you with a comprehensive report that empowers you with data-driven facts, enabling you to prioritize your repair, retrofit, operational, and maintenance needs with pinpoint accuracy. We are the only company in the world that has the technology to quantify energy loss to dollars loss for commercial and residential properties. Here are some of our services: crack detection, failing slabs, water leakage, piping leakage, HVAC leakage, structural joint inspection, roof inspection, solar panel inspection, after retrofit assessment. Here's how to get started. Send us the address of your building. We provide a free preliminary report so we can have an informed discussion on how to move forward with the full report. The building envelope analysis is fast, non-disruptive to your tenants, and can be performed during pandemic conditions. We use Keytech's patent-pending software to analyze the data, delivering actionable insights that are certified and accurate. Thank you for considering Bumitech as your partner in achieving your triple bottom line. Bumitech, unlocking innovation in the era of sustainability.